Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. Today I'm going to do a review, recommendation, and just go over a few things of a product that was sent to me from a company by the name of Enssu. And this is a Manscape trimmer, hygiene tool, shaver, razor, hair clipper. So this is a hair clipper that's designed for personal areas, you know what I'm talking about. But I actually can use it on my head. I shave my head every now and then, keep a clean haircut. And just once in a while I use a trimmer, then I'll go in and use a razor and all that kind of stuff. And this is the exact same thing I'm looking for. It's pretty nice, pretty cool. Its usable time is 60, let's see, it runs for 60 minutes. It takes less than an hour to charge. Rated power source 5 watt. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's just a USB-C charger. And let's see what it looks like here. I think it's a USB-C. I might be wrong on that. Let's just check this out here. So we got everything in the box. Okay, so it's a one of those wireless charge things, that's pretty cool. So you plug that in. Here, this looks like the charger cord. Okay, let's check this out. See what comes in here. Very well packaged. Very nice. Okay, so it is a USB port. Okay, so that's what I was talking about, USB. So that goes into there. Then that's going to sit right on top of there. And looks like it charges. So it says press, turn it on, and oh yeah, it's trimmed the hairs right off my hand right there. So it's a pretty nice charger. I've used it a couple times and I like it. It works great. Comes with all the products that you need, different size clippers, different size trimmers, whatnot. They snap in really easily right there. Let's see if we can get that snapped in there. See if I can figure that out. I got it upside down. That's probably why I got it upside down. There we go. So that's gone to there. Pretty nice, pretty cool, just depending on what size you're looking for. But again, it's the Enssu Manscape trimmer, and I think you're going to like it just as much as I do. Like I said, it comes with everything that you need, very well packaged. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.